the question arises a lot of times, what is an Energy Star rated window? And what is low E coating? Do I need it? Does it actually work? And so this question is so common, I thought I'd make a quick video explaining low E coatings. So low E actually stands for low emissivity coating. It helps reject the heat from the sun back out where it came from and from the house back in. So imagine this, a warmer winter and a cooler summer in your home. That's the idea behind low emissivity coatings. It's actually silver oxide that's applied to the glass between the panes. You can't get to it and scratch it off or damage it. That keeps it protected, and it's kind of like a film. In fact, I'm going to show you how it works and explain to you a little bit more about low E to see if this is something you need on your windows and doors. So today for our demonstration, I have this typical heat lamp from a 1970s bathroom. Do you remember those heat lamps in the bathrooms? Maybe you've got one. And I'm going to turn it on, and it's going to create quite a bit of heat. I can really feel the heat coming off of this. And in fact, I'd like to just kind of show you with this digital thermometer that has a laser on it. It's going to tell us the temperature of that light. So you can see here that, look, I'm like at 300 degrees when I'm aiming straight at that. Oh my gosh, 325, 327, 332. It's just incredibly hot. So here's an example of what would happen if you had glass that's clear, like you would in a single pane window, that's not treated at all. And we're going to see what it does for the temperature. So we're in the 270 range. And so here you see this is clear single pane glass. Look at that, 220, 230, 235, 240. I mean, you can really feel the heat coming through on this. And then low E coatings come in two different levels of coating. One's a double coat and one's a triple coat. So you can get 0 coats, 2 coats, and 3 coats. And here's the 2 coats. And that's 95.6, 95.4, you know, in the range of 94, 95. And if I put my hand here, I just can't hardly feel anything at all. Then there's the triple coat, 3 coats of low E. Actually, I feel nothing now. And you can see here with 3 coats of low E, I'm under 90 degrees. I'm at 84, 85. Makes a huge difference between no low E, 2 low E, and 3 low E. So no coats, really hot. 2 coats, really great. 3 coats, it just basically eliminates it completely. So I want to show you, though, the compromise that's involved when you get 2 or 3 coats of low E over clear glass. So follow me over here. So I set up a little demo here for you. This is an Anderson window, and this is an Amsco window. And this window does not have any low E coatings on it at all. This is just clear glass, but it is double pane. This one has 3 coats of the silver oxide low E. And can you see the difference? How this is really nice and white. I put a piece of paper behind there, just taped it to the back of the glass. And this one has more of a greenish hue to it. That's kind of the cost of getting the energy efficiency, is you're going to lose some light and you're going to get a little more of a green look, whereas on this you're going to stay clear. But this won't meet Energy Star guidelines. This window in this condition with this glass is not going to do much for you for heat or cold, where this one's really going to make a big difference and a big impact in your house. One of the other benefits too of using low E coatings is that with a low E coating, you can get as much as 99% reduction of ultraviolet light penetrating through your window, which means that your furniture and your carpet and your flooring is not going to deteriorate quite as quickly, and you're not going to end up with discoloration and fading. Now, there's one more thing you should know about low E when making a decision for windows and doors. It's what part of the country do you live in? Because in the South, you have to remember, we're spending 9 months of the year trying to keep the heat out of the house and keep the cool in. Whereas up north in Minnesota and Michigan and places like that, it's just the opposite. You're trying to keep the heat in and keep the cold out. So just so you know, with the different places you live determines where we put the coating. If it's a southern climate, the coating is going to be on surface number 2, which is the inside of the outside pane of glass. And if you're in northern climate, it'd be on surface 3, which is the inside of the inside pane of the glass. So in this case, this window is designed to be in a southern climate. It's going to reject the heat and keep the cool inside. If I actually was going to install this window in a cold climate, I'd have to install it backwards for it to work. So ordering the right glass for the right part of the country you live in and what your needs are is very important. So make sure you're doing that and you're getting expert advice from someone who understands how low E coatings work. Lastly, you can enhance any low E coating, any double pane window, by adding argon gas. We'll cover that in another video at a later date, but with argon and low E coatings and good double strength, double pane windows, you should notice a great and considerable benefit to your heating bill, your cooling bill, the comfort in your home, the longevity of your furniture, and also sound reduction. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again real soon.